Comrades of the People's National Party, every time that Jamaica has been at a crossroads, it is the People's National Party that has come to the rescue of this country. Every time that there is turbulence and uncertainty, it is the People's National Party that has come to the rescue. Every time that the single mothers cannot see a way out, the youths cannot see a future, the civil servants, the police officers, the teachers cannot make ends meet, are tired of living from hand to mouth, from paycheck to paycheck. It is the People's National Party that has come to the rescue. Comrades, when education was reserved for just the privileged few, it was the People's National Party through Norman Manley who gave us common entrance. When education was reserved for those who could afford it, and the other side spoke only about the haves and the have-nots, but they did nothing to fix the problem. It was Michael Manley's PNP that leveled the playing field and gave free education. It is the People's National Party that has always come to the rescue when Jamaica is in crisis. When housing is in crisis, the PNP created the National Housing Trust. Now, comrades, all of these gains, all of this progress that we have made are once again in danger of being sacrificed by the current government. The social fabric that has been carefully stitched together to create a fair and equal Jamaica is in danger of being torn apart by this current government. We see what they are doing with the National Housing Trust. Instead of adding to the benefits, they are taking away the benefits from the disabled. They are taking away the benefits from the civil servants. They are taking away the benefits from the elderly. Comrades, I say to you that once again, we are a country in crisis. We are at a crossroads. But you, the people of this party, you have thrown up to us a leader who can rescue Jamaica from the clutches of a cruel and uncaring government. You have given to us a leader who, like Norman Manley, went to Oxford University. You have given to us a leader who, like P.J. Patterson, the brilliant lawyer, has a strong mind. You have given to us a leader who, like Portia Simpson Miller, has the heart of the people. And that is why, comrades, that is why when this government offered our students loans to leave a war-torn country, it was a leader who cared, that stepped forward and first made a contribution to bring our students home. You have given to us a leader who, like Peter David Phillips, is a strong, committed, hard-working servant of the people. He has served as a Minister of Justice. He has served for 10 years in the Senate. And let me tell you, he never got there go warm no bench. During his time in the Senate, he spearheaded over 121 pieces of legislation being passed. Including my personal favorite, the decriminalization of ganja. give to you a man who is ready to lead Jamaica out of crisis. I give to you the husband of Sandra Golden. I give to you a father. I give to you a man who was born right here in Jamaica, our leader, born here. Comrades, stand on your feet and help me to introduce to you the leader of the People's National Party, the man who will rescue Jamaica. I introduce to you the next Prime Minister